Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey on how to create your very own WordPress blog. Follow this step-by-step guide to set up your blog and start writing your first post in no time. Step 1. Choose a domain name and hosting provider. The first step in creating your WordPress blog is selecting a domain name that reflects your blog's niche. Think of a catchy, easy-to-remember name. Once you have that, choose a reliable hosting provider. Popular options include Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator. These providers usually offer one-click WordPress installation, making it easier for beginners. Step 2. Install WordPress. After purchasing your domain and hosting, log into your hosting account's dashboard. Look for the option to install WordPress. Many hosting services provide a simple process to get WordPress up and running with just a few clicks. Follow the prompts to complete the installation. Step 3. Choose a WordPress theme. Once WordPress is installed, it's time to pick a theme for your blog. Navigate to the Appearance section in your WordPress dashboard and click on Themes. You'll find a variety of free themes available. Browse through the options and select one that resonates with your content and style. You can also purchase premium themes from marketplaces like ThemeForest or Elegant Themes if you want something more unique. Step 4. Customize your blog. Customization is key to making your blog stand out. Go to Customize under the Appearance tab. Here you can modify your site's title, tagline, colors, fonts, and more. Don't forget to add your logo if you have one. Make sure your blog is visually appealing and easy to navigate for your readers. Step 5. Install essential plugins. Plugins can enhance your blog's functionality. Some essential plugins to consider include Yoast SEO for optimizing your content, Akismet for spam protection, and Jetpack for performance and security features. To install plugins, head to the Plugins section in your dashboard. Click on Add New and search for the plugins you need. Step 6. Create important pages. Before you start blogging, it's essential to create a few key pages. These typically include an About page to introduce yourself, a contact page for readers to reach out, and a privacy policy page to comply with regulations. You can add these pages by going to the Pages section in your dashboard and clicking Add New. Step 7. Start writing your first post. Now the exciting part. To begin writing your first blog post, navigate to the Posts section and click on Add New. Enter a captivating title and start writing your content. Utilize the Gutenberg block editor to format your text, add images, and create a compelling post. Remember to include categories and tags to help organize your content. Step 8. Publish your blog post. Once you're satisfied with your blog post, it's time to publish. Click the Publish button to make your post live. Share it on your social media channels to attract readers and engage with them through comments. Conclusion. Creating a WordPress blog is an excellent way to express yourself and connect with others. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a successful blog. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Happy blogging!